guys, so for today's video, we're gonna build a OP base in Miniwars. So I gathered all the materials needed and I only use Mythic because I'm still a noob. So get these. I can do this with other materials too, but I use these. And we need to build the freaking road, gang. Wait, should I do this? Should I do this? It is really good to do this. Yeah, I'm gonna do this one. I'm just spam clicking. Can you hear my mouse? Look. Hear that? That's my mouse. Just spam clicking. Sorry guys, it's noisy in Philippines especially if it's night. So yeah, sorry for the noise. I'm so sorry. If you don't like my content, I'll make it better. Yeah, I'm trying to make content out here, but nobody is supporting me and I only get 10 views, but it's okay. Just be happy. Do you know that? Yo, I forgot how to play this game, gang. Haven't played this game for a while now, so yeah. I just hopped on just now and I just said, what if I make a video on this game? Yeah. So yeah. This will be the farms and this will be the armies. It's gonna take so long. Oh my god. Oh my god. If they added like a copy paste like in Minecraft, I would use it every day because I'm so lazy, dog. I'm not that lazy. I'm the number 2 cleaner in the house. But yeah, I'll still use it because I don't like clicking that much. I mean, bro, look at this game. Hey, bro, what the heck? Alright, did this one. Alright, so now I'm going to build the houses like this. Wait, yeah, like that. Yeah, I like that. And I still have a apartment building and a, what's this called, manor? I don't know, manor or whatever. Yeah, whatever you say. Yeah, it's actually the same though, but I do like it. Now after this, I'm gonna work on the farm. It's all done now. Look at this bad boy, gang. Look at this. I would add some buildings here too, but I'm not that rich, guys. You know, I'm not that rich. I'm poor. I'm super poor. Yo, wait this. Oh, yes. And placing the nuclear reactor here is gonna be great. And the lab, yeah, why did it auto please? Please like and subscribe to my other videos too. I really like doing content, so I can get the play buttons. So yeah, please subscribe and like. I don't know. Yeah, I'm like a story maker. Bro, I didn't need a workshop. That will go on later, guys. So I'm going to start off at the best one. And this one. Yeah. And then, I will add the coal cave because I will put all the caves here and the banks and research. And yeah, you look at the slide. Now I'm going to place the cement. Now I'll place the wood one. It's gonna be long gone, long shine. I don't wanna rush though, but I have to because yeah, I'm just not gonna tell. I have a secret. Tell me down in the comments if y'all can comment because I don't know. Yeah. Now we're moving on the military. See that? See that? First of all, I'm going to place the artillery. Bro, I'm so bunch at this. Artillery depot. Now I'm placing the 3 air base for the 3 hawks. How many did it spawn? I don't know. Can y'all see? Or y'all? If y'all can't see, you're blind. If I make one of y'all laugh, and I'm going to be so happy because I like making people laugh, especially my subscribers. I only have 5 subscribers, but can you double that to 10? Please. I don't know, bro. Wait, bro, what? Do you like it or no? Because I'm still learning. And don't worry, I'm going to place this here again. Wait. That's all right, yeah. I'm going to place the nuclear here. One here. Then right, so I'll just place that there. And then here. I will whisper for now. Nah, just kidding. I don't like whispering because y'all can't hear my whispers. Yun. And the workshop here. And then I'm not putting magnets because I do not like magnets. Yeah, that's why. Because even though magnets help, I still do not like them for one reason, and I'm not gonna tell you. I'm going to place it right here. Oh, they changed it to triangular. Before that was like circle. Now it's like a pentagon triangular like that. Of course, I'm gonna add some cars and a, you know, a lot of these rocks and some trees. I will build a, what's that called again? I forgot. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Sorry for the noise. I just that was me like that. Not just kidding, lol. That was like I don't know. Oh my god. Oh my god. I do not like if I make it wrong, but yeah. I'm going to place down the flowers and the park. So this is gonna be the park. I'll spread some flowers and grass. If you don't like my content, can you just please watch it for views, because I am appreciated. Even though you don't like it, please. I just wanna make y'all happy and stuff like that. Oh no. Yeah. Like this. Place some rocks. So it's nature. Place that there and this, and place one of that here. And then 1, 2, 3, and then 4. And basically this will all be rocky. And place one there and here. Please be enough, please. It's enough. Wait. Yes, it's enough. I'll place a fountain right here. There you go. And then we will put the trees. There you go. Trees. Trees here. Trees here. And yeah. I was like, I need a good place. I need a tutorial. And I couldn't find one. So I was like, I'll just build my own base then. With a video on. Let's go build that. And now this is our base. So yeah, these are the house buildings and stuff. And this is the park, and we got manor here and apartment and some buildings and the Helix Tower, and these are the farms, banks like that. And then these are the military, and I'll fix it. I'll fix this. Wait, I'll fix that. Now, Army 1 is gonna be the best one. Yes, I don't know. I just like Army 1. Do this. I forgot something. Never mind, I did. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay, I can make this work. Should I add this? Oh yeah, we can add that. And then Army 3 will have these. And the rest is going to Army 1. So yeah. That's all. Please like and subscribe, and look at me. Goodbye.